Hey, yeah, I'm taking a break. I'm here at Beaver Dam, and just stop and take a little bit of a break. Yeah, we don't use that much. It's not been a bad day. The only thing is I forgot water. Not a good thing. But anyway, we'll take a little walk around here. There are fish in here. Yeah, you see them jumping quite often. This is one of my favorites. Or I gotta say, this is my favorite. Place to take a break. I'll take you down here. Take a shot off through there. And then, of course, this is give you a close look at what the beaver have done. This is a dam. It seems to work pretty good. This thing broke last year, the year before, and they built it back up again. It's amazing how they do this. And water rolls on down through there. Pretty deep. It's not over the top of my boots. Feet are staying dry. Checking the lens, see if the lens is clean. Yeah, we're getting a little water in the boot here now. So, looking back there, looking over here. I think we're gonna get out of this water. Got some mapping to do up here. There's a couple trails. We're going to do this loop up here. Goes around, comes back out here. And then there's another loop that we're going to do. Get this all mapped. So with that being said,